do you call an evening where the stars descend down on earth? Let us help you. It can be a party or an event hosted by the Ambanis. Tuesday night was no less because Jio World Plaza had the who's who of the Tinseltown making a beeline at the red carpet and at the ramp. Alia Bhatt was honestly the best dressed for the evening. She wore a gorgeous black floor-sweeping gown by designer Gaurav Gupta. It featured a corset-fitted top and swirl patterns running across the gown. Deepika Padukone picked an off-shoulder knit blazer dress from Louis Vuitton's Fall-Winter 2023 collection. Her diamond-studded jewelry from Cartier just stole the show. Priyanka Chopra also attended the event but gave the paps a miss. She wore a glittery lime green sari and rocked the look as always. Katrina arrived wearing a full-length floral dress with a thigh-high slit. But something about this look felt a little underwhelming. Katrina Kapoor Khan glittered bright in this relaxed co-ed set. Bhumi Pednekar wore a dress that featured a sheer lacy top with an oversized bow detail that cascaded into an off-shoulder accent. Khushi Kapoor wore the prettiest black dress with a pair of matching killer heels. Another pretty lady in black was Diana Penty. Janhvi Kapoor sported two looks for the evening, one we liked and one we did not. She wore this white embellished fish-cut lehenga set paired with a grand maroon cape for her ramp walk. It kinda looked uncomfortable. She then changed to this dark grey off-shoulder gown paired with black heels. This we liked. Sonam Kapoor wore an elaborate golden ensemble as she walked the ramp. Sara Ali Khan also rocked the ramp in a golden set. So did Rashmika Mandanna in a golden dress. Karishma Kapoor and Noora Fatehi painted the runway red in their sexy ensembles. While Shania Kapoor's walk was a fail, Athya Shetty's walk with her father Sunil Shetty looked super stylish. Some looks that we did not quite like were that of Pooja Hegde, who looked dull, and Shraddha Kapoor, who wore a red sari with a cropped blazer. Vijay Varma and Tamannaah Bhatia's looks were OTT, no doubt, but kind of failed the vibe. What were they thinking? What do you think about this fashion extravaganza? Share your thoughts in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for everything fashion.